Today I'd like to speak to you about creating a business plan and how to make it effective. First, you should have an executive summary. In the executive summary, you can define the product or service you're selling, do a quick SWOT analysis, which is strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and tell the reader where we're going in this report. Second, I would create a mission statement. You definitely want to use the KISS principle of keeping it simple when creating a mission statement. The mission statement will say where you're going and how you're going to get there. I would also then describe your product or service. This could include, plans of packaging, how it works, what you do, how much you charge, etc. The next would be marketing. How are you going to market the product? Are you going to do it offline, online, in stores and papers, etc.? A plan that defines the cost would be very beneficial to the user. An operational plan would be next. An operational plan should include key employees, logistics, legal, whether you're going to have contractors or employees, an accounting system, your accounting department, etc. The next that would be very useful for the reader would be an organizational chart, which states the key stakeholders, who reports to who, and how the organization is set up. I would also then include a financial plan. This to me is probably the most important aspect of any business plan. This should have a cash flow, a break-even analysis, and a pro forma income statement showing when you are going to achieve profitability and growth. Finally, an addendum that would include resumes, media, awards that can give the background of the organization and its success to the reader would go a long way in securing reader buy-in and hopefully an investment.